So guys, I will show you today my clickbank earnings using Google Ads. I will show you my Google Ads dashboard also. Before I will show Google Ads, you can see my clickbank earnings here. You can see $160 was my earning. You can see here also $160. Now I will show my Google Ads dashboard. You can see 11 clicks and 1 sale. My ad spend was around $54 and my CPC was $5. You can see everything here, and you can calculate also INR to USD. So guys, this kind of earning is not very difficult when you know how to select a right high converting offer in clickbank, and you know how to create a high converting landing page for Google Ads. And third thing was, you know perfectly how to set a Google Ads campaign so that you can get sales like this using Google Ads. So guys, if you have any question related product selection in clickbank, high converting landing page creation for Google Ads, or if you have any question related Google Ads for clickbank product, you can message me on my WhatsApp number. You can see my WhatsApp number on screen, and you can message me on also Instagram. My Instagram ID also in screen you can see. So guys, if you have any doubt, you can message me right now.